Okay guys, I'm Farid Anasal Baru.
My name is Sanglah Sadiguna.
Okay guys, I am Ashanari Saputra.
And now I will share story about our learning in the college guys.
I will share stories about our learning in college.
And now I will share stories about our learning in college.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will share stories about our learning in college.
Okay guys, today I would like to tell you about my experience learning in the classroom using a laptop. In this modern era, technology has become a very important part of our daily life, especially in education. One of the most useful tools for students today is the laptop. It helps us learn in many easier and more interesting ways. Before using a laptop in class, I usually only use books and notebook to study. Sometimes I feel bored because everything was written manually and it took a long time to search for information. But after I start using a laptop at school, I realized that learning become more practical, faster and more fun guys. And with a laptop, I can usually search for learning material on the internet. If I do not understand a lesson explained by the teacher, I can look for additional explanation, video or example online. This really helped me to understand the epic better. For example, when learning about science or history, I can watch educational video that make the lesson more real and clear. Using a laptop also helped me in doing assignment. I can type faster than writing by hand, and my work looks neater, guys. If I make a mistake, I can easily correct it without rewriting everything. I can also save my files and organize them properly in folder. This might make my study more organized and efficient, guys. Another advantage of learning with a laptop is group work. When we work in group, we can share files, edit document together, and discuss ideas more easily. We can create presentation using PowerPoint or Google Slide, and then present our work in front of the class. This makes learning more interactive and interesting. However, studying with a laptop also has come challenge. Sometimes students become distracted by games, social media, or other unnecessary website instead of focusing on the lesson, guys. They may spend time chatting or watching videos that are not related to school. This can reduce their concentration and affect their learning results. That is why self discipline is very important when using a laptop in class. We must remember that the laptop is styled for learning, not just for the entertainment. We need to use it wisely and responsibly. Teachers also have an important role in guiding students on how to use technology properly in the classroom. In my opinion, learning using a laptop has more advantages than disadvantages, guys. It makes learning faster, easier, and more effective. It helps students become more independent because we can explore knowledge by ourselves. It also prepare us for the future because technology will continue to develop and be used in many aspects of life. In conclusion, using a laptop in the classroom has changed the way we learn. It gives us many opportunities to gain knowledge in a more modern way. As student, we should be grateful for this technology and use it in positive way. If we are laptop correctly, they can become powerful tools to help us achieve our dream and success in the future, guys. And maybe just for me. Okay, thank you for attention.
After school ends in the late afternoon, the computer science students return to their boarding house instead of staying on campus. The sky is slowly turning orange, and tiredness from classes begins to settle in, but they know they still have assignment waiting. Inside the quiet boarding room, the atmosphere feels warm and comfortable. Each of them takes a spot on the desk, one on the floor with a small table, and one on the bed, turning the room into a shared study piece. Even though the school day is over, their responsibilities and students continue. The sounds of fans, clicking keyboards, and flipping notebook page fills the room softly. They begin working on their tasks, preparing to finish everything before the night gets too late.
As night settles over the campus, the classroom lights glow softly, creating a calm but focused atmosphere. While most students have already left for the day, the night class gathers with great determination. Tonight is presentation night, and three computer science students prepare themselves at the front of the room. The projector warms up, casting a faint blue light across their faces as they reach these notes. Despite the long day behind them, they stand with steady confidence, ready to present the result of their hard work. The room feels defined a night, peaceful, attentive, and filled with a sense of responsibility. With deep breaths, they finally begin the presentation they have prepared for days.
After a long day of classes, the campus begins to cool down as the sun slowly sets. The warm evening light spreads softly across the buildings, guiding three students toward the campus mosque. They walk in silence, feeling the calmness of the late afternoon settling in their hearts. Inside the mosque, the atmosphere is peaceful, cool air, soft carpets, and a sense of serenity that welcomes anyone who enters. The students sit down in their usual corner, placing their Qurans gently in front of them. For them, this moment is more than a routine. It is time to rest their minds after the busyness of the day. They prepare to begin reaching, allowing the calmness of the mosque to wash over them. فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون وإن كنتم في ريب مما نزلنا على عبدنا فاعبدوا بصورة وادعوا شهداءكم فإن لم تفعلوا ولن تفعلوا فاتقوا النار التي وقودها الناس والحجارة أعدت للكافرين